Pathanlal Jamatia on the stage. Sengjoto Yapakorlen, please. Borni Bagay. Takok Tay Bukuk Song. On the fourth position. Belaike Wansungmani Yagulo. Belaike tough competition Yagulo. Fourth position of Sopaka. Tie. Semi-finale wo Khoroktam tie rakha. Khoroktam equal marks be bar phaka. But finale wo Khorok nei. Fourth round of Sopaka. So let me announce the names. Priya Jamatia on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basran Deberma on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Mohan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngai, Sini, fourth position of Sopeka. Borok Kanini Bisingo, Saman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopeka. Sengjoto Yapakor Lenida Born Bagay, please. And Takote Bukso. Tabogang no Nibuskango announced Kana Naidongo. The second runners-up. Second runners-up, mane, third position of Ninjago. Bonipong Nang Tabok no Nibuskango announced Friday night. Let me call upon Miss Shushmita Deverma on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Shuhel Deberma on the stage, please. Tai, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Balaika Hambai. Duglayo ito sa Hanoi Thang Pinay. Sini. First runners up. Oh. Bukuk Sushmita. Bukuk Sushmita nini trophies. Baskango Yaparzaka. Sini EM ICA Department and Sports Nibisin TK. Shuhel Deberma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event and a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panang mano. Baksani enya panang mano. But Sengjoto Yapakor Lene, Jota Chirikong Lene. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono Yapanabagang Koinai. Sini. TTAAD Sini Ngay. judges, Tripura. Belai Kahambai. Kaisa Trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni Logio Kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount 2 rupees, 50,000. And non nibus kango ang tabuk sini final winner. No announce final na itong Piaba. Winner nang sekang tubuk lak. Puilang nung inahanay sini TTAA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir, please. And now that final round. The final round is Rupesh Deparma on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Kaisa trophy, Kaisa guitar, Logio, Kaisa scooty tie. 1 lakh rupees amount of check and a scooty. Sengjoto ya pagkaklan ni Navin Bagay. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni Bagay. Takot ay bohsong. Narjoto ready datong. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2 Dewa Zain Hai Painay Salo Sing Tubi Pai Pinay Tawag tayo bungsong Narag joto na hambay Narag sing may baksa Dini Pailika Tay sini contestants no Narag Belay ke support laika Paidi sing Sini Finals Dong no sing narangay Tay borni Photo session bo sing trailer Seng tabuk sini final photo session file ini. Takut ay bohsong. Tini ni bagay asan ng situn. Norok tini nuwi man ka. Sinibus kango. TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Takut ay bohsong. Norok. Obahay kino kubun salak bo sing no support kay tong di. Tay sing obahay kino tebo. Kolok kotorong mana bagay sing no norok logiridi. te bohsong nor jotona hambai bahai ke himba norok singno belai ke support khlaika norok singno encourage khlaika tini ni bage asunung situn tai norok no obono kaisa announcement khlai resinai je tini je top 3 tini ni je top 3 borok 3 ni salo oro same stage o borok ADC ni ADC government ni ngai borok oro rechap phainai so norok jotono kobogina haro tini